Hello, it's Carly from Learn English with Carly, and today you're joining me here in the beautiful city of Glasgow on the west coast of Scotland. I am at Glasgow University today. Okay, remember to click that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I really appreciate it. Who's your favourite celeb? Are you veggie? I bet you're doing fab in your English learning. Get comfy and we'll begin. What did you notice about those 4 sentences? That's right, they all contained an abbreviation, a shortened word. You heard the words celeb, veggie, fab, and comfy. There are many words that English speakers shorten, especially during conversation. So in this first video about abbreviated words, I want to teach you a few shortened words and show you how we use them. It's important to note that these abbreviations are usually only used in informal conversations or in text messages or emails with friends, family, and people that you know well. Okay, my first word, celebrity. I'm sure you know this word as there are many celebrities all over the world. But we can shorten this word to celeb. In question form, who's your favourite celeb? In the present tense. That program is full of wannabe celebs. Wannabe here is want to be. Wannabe was also a song made famous by the Spice Girls, if you are old enough, like me, to remember them. And in the past, she had always wanted to become famous and be a celeb. I think it's useful to look at these in different tenses, don't you? Our second abbreviated word is definitely, which we shorten to Defo. This is slang, and I would usually use this as an interjection, as a reply to someone. Are you coming to the party on Saturday? Yeah, defo. Do you want to go to the cinema on Sunday? Defo. Now, what about the word comfortable in its abbreviated form? Comfy. These shoes are so comfy. During the pandemic, I wore comfy clothes every single day. A word that I find myself using more and more, especially in text messages, is the abbreviated form of fabulous, fab. You're looking fab, as always. This means that we think that the person we're speaking to looks great, as they always do. Your English is fab. Your piano playing was fab last night. And the word vegetarian can be abbreviated to veggie. In the present tense, Sam's veggie now. And in the present perfect tense, Sam's been veggie for a few years now. Now, the word vegetables can also be abbreviated to veggies. This has an S on the end, so don't confuse it with vegetarian veggie. This is veggies as vegetables is plural, of course. In the present tense, I eat fruit and veggies every day. And using a modal verb, I should eat more fruit and veggies. So in summary, we have celeb, defo, comfy, fab, veggie, and veggies. What questions and sentences in different tenses can you make up using these? Write me a comment in the comments section below, and I look forward to reading and replying to your answers. Thanks again for joining me today here in sunny Glasgow, and I'll see you next time. Bye.